Say hello to SEALSQ, the cybersecurity superhero leading us into 2026 and beyond with post-quantum semiconductors and secure hardware. Although still relatively obscure in the wider world of stocks, it's gaining a cult following. Now, after an immense 2025 evolution, the hope is it will be reaching for superstar status moving into the second half of the decade, especially after its market valuation surpassed $1 billion in October, and it uplisted to Nasdaq's Global Select Market. Next, while examining progress and outlining its outlook, it will soon be clear that standing at the intersection of semiconductors, cybersecurity, and quantum resilience is at the core of SEALSQ's strategy. In alignment with this broader doctrine was the acquisition of IC'Alps in mid-2025, adding 100 skilled engineers to enhance SEALSQ's chip design capabilities. This addition was complemented with the launch of a $100 million quantum fund to accelerate innovation in the quantum ecosystem, making strategic investments in firms like Calibri TD, EeroQ, WiseSat, and WeCan. 2025 also saw the commercial launch of SEALSQ's flagship products, the Quantum Shield QS7001 microcontroller and the QVault Trusted Platform module, both of which have seen growing interest. SEALSQ is collaborating with industry partners and standards bodies to promote scalable deployment of the QS7001 worldwide, with commercial discussions underway with up to 115 potential customers across North America, Europe, and Asia Pacific. Since its commercial launch at the Las Vegas Grand Prix in November 2025, the QS7001 has gained strong traction, with a pipeline for the QS7001 and QVault TPM reaching $49.8 million as of December 15, 2025, up from $11.4 million the previous year. The total pipeline for SEALSQ's products is now estimated at $200 million for the 2026 to 2028 period. The product has been well received by global partners, including Eviden, Capgemini Engineering, and Metavisio, and is designed to offer up to 10x higher performance than software-based post-quantum solutions. It is adaptable for use in sectors like IoT, defense, healthcare, and critical infrastructure. Global expansion ambitions led to the launch of a Made in USA strategy, partnerships with trusted semiconductor solutions, and a joint venture with Kaynes Semiconductors in India. SEALSQ also made strides in the financial sector, developing post-quantum security solutions with WeCan, as it takes its next steps to accelerate commercialization, expand production, and deepen partnerships globally in 2026. It will do so with financial fortitude in the form of a $440 million cash position. Diving into the details of plans for 2026 to 2030, focus will be directed at advancing quantum computing through semiconductor-based technologies. Unlike the traditional helium-cooled superconducting quantum systems, which are costly, energy-intensive, and difficult to scale, SEALSQ is pursuing a more scalable, secure approach rooted in the semiconductor ecosystem. This approach uses silicon and CMOS-compatible manufacturing processes to create quantum systems that align with existing semiconductor design tools, fabrication plants, and global supply chains. SEALSQ's vision centers on the integration of silicon spin qubits and hybrid quantum classical architectures, where quantum components coexist with classical computing elements. This model promises greater scalability, reliability, cost reduction, and long-term viability for quantum systems. Additionally, it allows for the integration of security, cryptography, and lifecycle management directly into the silicon platform, ensuring that quantum systems can be governed within existing regulatory frameworks. SEALSQ emphasizes that industrialization is the key to making quantum computing practical for high-performance and mission-critical environments. By leveraging the semiconductor industry's strengths, silicon-based quantum systems can offer the necessary integration density and security for deployment in regulated sectors, such as critical infrastructure and government applications. This strategy positions SEALSQ at the forefront of the intersection of quantum innovation, semiconductor industrialization, and post-quantum security, laying the foundation for scalable and secure quantum technologies. Its approach seeks to make quantum computing a practical, trustable technology, moving beyond laboratory research to become an integral part of global digital infrastructure. SEALSQ's efforts are not going unrecognized, as shown by its 28.3% stake in blockchain-based solutions firm WeCan, which led to a milestone grant from Hedera to support WeCan's integration of SEALSQ's post-quantum technologies. This collaboration is advancing quantum-safe compliance and identity solutions in the financial sector, with quantum-resistant encryption being embedded into WeCan's platforms for secure data exchange. Carlos Moreira, CEO of SEALSQ, highlighted the urgent need for quantum-resilient security as quantum computing capabilities rapidly advance, with the QS7001 positioned as a key solution for protecting global digital infrastructures and critical workloads. For more on SEALSQ and other exciting companies, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.